Well, we finally found a good place to camp. Good cell service. We're, but I've ruined the tire. Somehow I hit something pulling in here, and this tire is ruined. Okay, this outer tire has a big, oh, look at that. I hit something. I ran something over. And I gashed the side of the tire. Pulling in here, somewhere there was a sharp piece of log or stick or rock or something. I hit it and it ripped the tire. Now, the first thing I did was, because now all that, it's dual wheels back here, now all that weight is on that one inside tire. So to relieve it a little bit, we were already out of level a little bit this way, so I put the hydraulic jacks up, the leveling jacks, to get level, and it took some of the load off that tire, so we're okay sitting here. I could have called roadside assistance. I can see the road from here. We're just maybe 100 yards off the hard surface. Some places are picky though. They won't take their vehicle off the hard surface, period. I don't know. I don't want to be bothered anyway. For just changing a flat tire, child's play. Yeah, the tire blew out. It even separated from the wheel. Huh. That's okay. I have a good spare. I think it's still good. I checked the air pressure in it recently, and it was still up. So I believe I have all the tools necessary to do this. I got a little basket with some tire gauges and stuff. There's no point in putting a low tire on. 95 pounds, right where it's supposed to be. Of course, I gotta be able to jack it up too, right? Okay. Well, I got 2 jacks. The little one's not gonna do it. That's only 2 ton. I'll get a bigger 6 ton. 6 ton will do it. I'm really hoping to get lucky here. One time I had this jacked up without using a jack. I used the hydraulic levelers and it was enough to get the tire off the ground. That'd be nice if I can do that here. never said I wouldn't be huffing and puffing when I got the job done. That's better. I gotta pick up a new spare, or a good used spare. If I was in Florida, I know where I could get a brand new one for about 220 bucks. But other places I've shopped around at, Les Schwab wanted 400 something a piece. I'll never be a Les Schwab customer, ever. Hear that, Scotty? Never. That's about it. I'll get this mess all put away, and I can. Where was I? I can get on with my day. Wasn't that big a deal. A little sweat on the brow. As I understand it, a lot of newer motorhomes don't even come with a spare. You should always have a spare. Even if you can't change it yourself, you just never know where you might be. You just never know. You might say, I'll never get off the main highway or off the main roads, but you just don't know. Or maybe roadside assistance doesn't have your particular size and they have to track one down and you're stuck along the highway for hours. You can still call roadside assistance and say, hey, I have a spare, I just need you guys to come out and put it on. So, and in these motorhomes, there's always, with all the storage they have, there's always somewhere to put one. How to put it back up in there. I need a replacement, so if this happens again, I have another good spare. So, always have a good spare. I don't know if, where's the next town? No, I don't know what the next town is, I forget. Springfield or, no. Anyway, I don't think they have a regular tire shop. I think there's 2 tire shops at Moab. So, we'll just have to be careful and keep our fingers crossed that we can get the Moab to get a new spare. I got it fixed, girl. We're all good to go again. We are. We're good to go. So we're probably gonna head down to Moab. It makes me terribly nervous to not have a spare tire. You can pick up a road hazard anywhere. Out here, whether it's a sharp rock or out on the highway or a parking lot, you never know where you might pick something up and ruin a tire. Makes me nervous not having a spare. So I'm gonna go see. I think we're gonna go down to Moab. I called ahead into Green River, and there's no. There's a little tire shop there, but they don't have it. They don't have one, and he recommended. He says down in Moab, he thinks there's 2 tire stores. One is a lot bigger than his. He says they probably can get you one or probably have one. So my guess is the next video is going to be from Moab area. Hopefully we can get a tire there. So, hey, stuff happens. What you can do. But we're back up and running again now. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.